How to turn off or on, choose a reason before calls on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it easy and quick. First go to Truecaller, and once you're here just click on your profile here in the top corner, and then click the settings icon, and after that click calling, and here we'll find it. You can turn it on and select any reason you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.